The Bronde Ambition highlight technique is for those who want to have an elegant blonde look that is natural and with layers of interest. Our model Melissa has virgin hair with a natural level 6. She wants something low maintenance, yet noticeably different, so we've decided to give her a beachy highlight. We are using Sophistone Elite Clay Lightener mixed with Sophistone Cream 10 Volume Developer. Sophistone Elite Clay Lightener with built-in protection can lift up to 9 levels, leaving the hair silky smooth. Section the hair into 4 quadrants using the natural part. Create another 2 sections in the back quadrants by making a horizontal parting from ear to ear at the occipital bone. Carve out the back hairline in about 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch partings depending on the shape of the hairline and the desired brightness. From the hairline, work your way up to the top of the back sections, working in a brick lay fashion. Because of the density and the desired level of this blonde, we parted subsections between 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch apart. Create 2 sections within the front right quadrants by making a parting at the high recession. In the lower section, work in diagonal partings from the ear to the hairline. In the upper section, make your partings 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch wide, working toward the client's natural part. Repeat these steps on the left side. Process for 30 minutes. Rinse well. Shampoo with carbonated shampoo from our extended collection to instantly rebalance the hair's pH and remove residue. We apply Moisture Professional treatment steps 1, 2, and 3 to replenish moisture to the hair. To achieve the desired depth and tone, we are using 2 Sophistone Demi-Color formulas. Formula 1 is Sophistone Demi Level 6 Gold Beige and Sophistone Processing Lotion mixed equal parts. Infused with coconut oil-based lipids, Sophistone Demi-Color is designed to create smoother and healthier looking color with a lustrous shine. To create a 1-inch shadowed root, apply Formula 1 with a bowl and brush application. Then apply Formula 2 with a bottle application from the mid-lengths to ends. Formula 2 is Sophistone Demi Level 7 Gold Beige and Level 9 Gold Beige mixed equal parts, blended with Sophistone Processing Lotion. Blend Formula 1 and Formula 2 by combing through with a wet brush to have a seamless transition. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo lightly. Finish with Moisture Professional's treatment steps 4 and 5 for enhanced shine. Style the hair as desired.